What's up, guys? So let's solve this reverse bit. So given on 32 bits unsigned integer, and then you need to return the reverse of it. Okay, so for example, if your input is this one, you can write this as a 32 binary representation, and reverse it, you get this one. Okay, so idea is that you first need to get this representation, right? And there are 32 of them. So so if it's up to here is 1, then you need to add all the 0 to the left, and the total you got 32 numbers. So you guys go 32, and then you use the results. Let's say you use result to 2 to the I, and you end with this 1, right? So basically you will take out all of it and start from here, here. Okay. And yeah, just do this, and finally just return results. So this computation will give you the results. Yeah, basically just do this, just bit mask. Okay, so and end with one and one is one, one and one is 1, right? So this will take out this part, and your results become this. So you start from so you got 0, 0, start from here. Okay. They will divide by 2, right? So this is times 2 to the n. This is divided by 2 to the n. Okay, so that's it. So very straightforward. See you guys in the next videos.